Hi, I'm Pat Gelsinger, CEO of VMware. Welcome to the Hands-On Labs, one of the showcases of all of VMworld. This year we have 80 new labs covering all of our products. Come on in, meet the experts, and learn about all of the key new technologies and products that we have through our labs this year. Hands-On Lab is also a showcase of running a true hybrid cloud. All week long, we're spinning up and spinning down VMs across the hybrid cloud of VMware Cloud on AWS, the IBM Cloud, and VMware's own data center, a true hybrid cloud in operation. Finally, this year, for the first time ever, the Odyssey, the gamification of Hands-On Labs, sponsored by Intel. You get to come in and compete with others and see who's the best for the Hands-On Lab program that we have this year. An exciting new thing, taking Hands-On Labs to a new level yet again. Come on in, enjoy. This is one of the marquee experiences of why you come to VMworld. Thank you.